Bethany, welcome to today's video. So today I'm very happy to be showing you my spread and my daily that is for Tuesday, September 22nd, which is the first day of fall. So I'm going all in on a fall theme today. Today I'm going to be using something I've been saving, and that is this really cute plum paper daily kit from Orange Umbrella Co. You've got washi strips and date headers on this page, all the little kind of area covers for this kind of stuff, little like meal fork and knives, and then boxes to cover here. So I am really excited to show you how this one looks. I think it's gonna be really cute. Then I also have a couple freebies I was gonna mix in just to kind of decorate stuff from Alexandra Nicole Plans. Got these a little while ago and I've kind of been saving them for something special. And I think that the first day of fall is perfect. So I don't know that I'll use the Halloween themed ones as much, but definitely some of the stuff with fall for sure. So let's go ahead and dive on in. I'm gonna start with some of this washi here and we'll just get started. All right, so I'm actually putting this together on Sunday the, whatever this is, 20th? And I took my kids to their like hockey tryout camp this morning, which went really well. At first I was like kind of panicking, so I wasn't sure how they were going to handle it, but it was all outside and it was very safe and it was just fine, so it was great. The one thing is though, it was just a lot of running around because they both had their kind of meetings for things this morning, and then they had to pick up their tryout jerseys, so it was just like a lot of activity. I don't know why, I'm just like kind of exhausted this afternoon. It's like super low energy and there's a lot I wanted to get done today. So instead of getting any of that stuff done, I'm like, you know what, I just really want to do a fall themed plan with me instead of doing anything that I was supposed to be doing, like cleaning up the house or, like I said, anything super productive. So that's what we're doing. I'm hanging out with you guys. So we're gonna put the spread together and it's gonna be a good time. And hopefully by the time I'm done with this, my coffee's kicked in a little bit. I just had another one, even though it's like 3 in the afternoon, but it's all good. It's good. So I just decided to stick with this red color because I just am really liking this hot orange. So I'm just kind of putting that one everywhere. I think it's gonna be awesome. On the one hand though, I am really thankful that they got to do hockey this year and that it is still a thing that is happening. I'm pretty happy about that. And I think it's gonna be a good year for them. Okay, let's see. Let's go in with one of these next to cover down here. One thing I will say is Orange Umbrella Co., their stickers remove really well from this paper. Not all stickers do, so I'm never like too freaked out if I have to adjust something a little bit. And I know the Plum paper is a little bit pickier than some other papers when it comes to that. That looks pretty good. I think, let's see, I do want to cover the gray today. Sometimes it doesn't bother me, but I think I do. So I'm gonna grab some of that Erin Condren sticker paper, cut that out to fit, and just kind of put that on top. Also doing some check boxes from Orange Umbrella Co. as well. And these are, again, for that 7x9 plum paper, which is perfect in this book. All right, cool. And I think that I have this other shorter one, which I wonder if it will fit here. I have a save from earlier, kind of a leftover. Yeah, that fits great. And Tuesday, actually, I'm kind of excited because at work, I'm focusing mostly on working on a big project. I like having trainings, but it'll be exciting to have a day of no trainings to kind of get some stuff done. So I'm just going to put in the evening for when I'm running around doing kid stuff after work for like my schedule. So I'm gonna write that in now. Let's go ahead and do that. That's 4 o'clock. I gotta drop Wes off. No, 4:30. All right, so just gonna label This area up here is the to-do list. That did not go as planned. Let's try that again. These to-dos came with the checklist sheet, so it's pretty sweet. Okay, so I think I definitely need to use the Hello Fall because, again, it's the first day of fall. This sticker is gorgeous. I just can't decide if I want to put it down here or up here. Here with this one. And then down here, leaves are falling and coffee is calling. That's so pretty. And then I'm gonna do this pumpkin. I'm just going for it, guys. It's gonna be total fall celebration spread. All right, I'm gonna save this one for later. So I'll save one of them. And I did just eyeball this little row of pumpkins, which I think is adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna save this area for kind of work to-dos, and then I'm gonna label this one as home to-dos. Well, let me see if I have any kind of like scripts hanging around. A bunch of leftover like Planner Kate stickers. So I'm gonna grab one of these little to-dos. I'll just know it's for home. All right, and Tuesday I'm actually going to be editing a video, so I figured I'm gonna actually put this one as editing notes down at the bottom. I'm actually working on a video that's gonna compile like my favorite and kind of top sticker shops and stickers for Plum paper. So that was taking a little more effort because I want to try to compile as much as I can, do a nice job. But I'm gonna put some notes down there because I know I will need that. Lots of to-dos because there's just lots to do. Oh, how cliche. Okay, cool. Let's see. I think I do have a little planner girl from Simply Smith stickers. I think she's an orange, which would go with this really well. So let me just find that. Here is our finished page. I really love this. It's everything I was hoping for. It is just a bunch of to-do lists and then a little bit of reminders for stuff that's going on in the afternoon, because I know it's just gonna be a lot of driving around. I'm gonna try to be cramming in some cardio between things. So it's just gonna be one of those days, but otherwise I'm just loving the fall vibes here. It's a great area to take notes, write in to-dos, a nice just like working page for this Tuesday. And it's super fall, which I'm really, really loving. It's perfect way to just mark that first day of fall. Really looking forward to using this one. After this, of course, like I said, it's Sunday, so I have to go back and set up Monday, so which will not be quite as pretty as this. I'm just gonna jot in some, probably just pen for that for Monday, but I do wanna get ready for tomorrow next. And then that'll be plenty of procrastination for me before I get into actually like laundry and cleaning my house and meal prepping and getting ready for the week. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me on this fall themed plan with me. Hope you're having a great day, great week, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.